#1 top rated. They love this brand. I'm so happy. When I was buying it, there's only one lipstick left. It's like you're not wearing anything. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So good morning first of all, because today it's Sunday. Like I said in the last of my video, I will be trying to do a video once a week para meron akong updated sa inyo. But anyway, I don't know if you guys seen my other video that I posted it, that I went for shopping in Target. So here we go. I'm gonna show you guys, because this lipstick is actually #1 top rated in the US. Wow. Most of this one, I mean most everywhere, they love this brand. So I'm going to show you guys. I love this brand too. This is actually the brand that I tried it long time ago when I discovered this one when we used to have a Nordstrom. But ngayon wala na kasi kaming Nordstrom, guys. Natanggal na yung Nordstrom nang nagkaroon ng earthquake dito. But it's okay kasi meron kami Target Beauty. I'm so happy na makita ko, guys, na meron mga makeup na ngayon sa sa Target. Well, they do have one before, but it's not like the brand that we love or the brand that everybody actually after. And if you are rewards in Ulta, like if you have an account in Ulta, like a rewards membership of Ulta, you can actually merge them. Wow. So you can have both points. So if you shop in Target and then you shop in an Ulta, you can get that points together. But anyway, guys, I'm just really happy that the Target does carry these beautiful brands, or these brands that everybody loves. So now I'm going to show you guys these lipsticks. I do have a M.A.C. So I picked this color because they are all natural color. I mean, it's 2023 and I wanted to show you guys, this is the top rated #1 in the US. They do have like a darker color, but this video is gonna be just like natural everyday wear from M.A.C. So these two are lip gloss, and then these four are actually like the velvet and matte. So let's start it with this one, guys. So we're going to start with the number of 524-0. I think I was debating with the other color too, because the R looks the same, but this one is kind of like a pinky. I always love their smell, the scent. Ang babango. Parang gusto mo na lang kagatin. So, try natin muna sa ating arms. I get closer so you guys can see. Ito ang kulay niya. I love the color for this one. Maganda yung pagka-pink niya. This is a very moist, guys. Really nice. I think it's one of when I was buying it, there's only one lipstick left in there. So I think most people actually buying it this one because of the color. So how you guys can see, there's actually beautiful color. You can wear this one like every day if you're working in the office or like you're just going out. So this one is actually perfect color. So definitely I love this color, guys. So I'm gonna put that in the side. The next one, guys, the color is 508 and the name is Hug Me. So that's, you guys can see, so it's more like a brown color, as you guys can see, and look at that, it's like really moist. You know, M.A.C is actually, you can't like disappoint people because a lot of people love M.A.C. So this one is kind of like day in the house because it's super natural, especially if your skin is like more tan or more like honey, something like that. This color are actually perfect, and I love the color of this one. It's like you're not wearing anything, guys, for this color, and then for the feelings too, it's super light, so you can never go wrong with. If you haven't tried that one, you can try it. So the next lipstick, guys, we're gonna try is a matte lipstick. So this one is more like glossy because they're velvet, but these two are matte. So let's try this one. So the first color for the matte, we're gonna try the 608 Mirrors. I was gonna pick the one, it's like more like a brown, but this one I think it's better because you know how the velvet I tried earlier, it's like has like a pink, but this one is also the same. Tingnan niyo guys, maganda yung kulay niya. Ayan o, ang ganda ng kulay niya, diba? This one, you can go to like daily if you're looking for something a little bit more color in your lips. So, this is actually good. Ang ganda niya, guys. Kasi, tinan nyo, kahit mag-close ako, makikita nyo talaga. Maganda siya. Hindi siya yung looking very, very dry. But this one is not. Even though it's matte. So, you still have the feelings like na, light siya. Hindi lang siya glossy tingnan. Pero, maganda talaga siya, guys. I think this one is gonna be my to-go all the time because hindi siya yun makintab sa lips. This one, it's all-in-one, especially sa kulay niya. The next one, guys, is 617 and it's Velvet Teddy. So, diba? More like a brownish siya. Pero maganda din ang kulay niya. Wow, this is actually really pretty than the other one. Maganda siya, guys. Maganda yung pagkaset niya. Especially for my skin tone. It's like perfect to my skin tone. I love the color. Let's try for the lip gloss. This is the 2 lip gloss, guys. And the first one we're going to try, it's the 988 A Little Tame. Ayan, guys, ang kulay niya. It's a little bit darker. Pero okay lang. Kasi parang siya, in between ng velvet and matte. So, this one, I actually dry it really, really fast, which I'm really, really impressed. It's a Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color. It said on the top when I bought it, it's like the #1 as well too. So, that's why everything at this one is on the very top and it said #1 lipsticks in the US. So, kaya pinik ko siya. Pero, mostly nitong lip gloss is actually like kind of like a darker color. Ito lang yung dalawa na medyo kind of like light. So, I wanted to pick the kind of light so you can wear for like daily. But some people actually, they love the dark color for this type of lip gloss. The last one we're going to try is the 989 Mold It Over. So, you know, may pagka-brownish orange siyang look. So, ito guys, I'm not really sure about the color because I think it doesn't goes in my skin tone. But it does match on my makeup. I can see that. Tinan mo, maganda siya, diba? Pag sa my makeup ko. Kasi ngayon ang makeup ko, parang tinan nyo yung blush ko are like almost kind of the same. But, you know what, I'm not really sure about this color, guys. I do like the same thing. It's the feelings, it's everything are the same. It's just the color that goes well for me. I think I know what I like. Today, I'm going to wear the matte because the matte is actually more like it's me. Like, I always buy the M.A.C in matte. It's like this powder is actually my first time purchasing it from M.A.C because I just wanted to try all the #1 in the US lipstick or like top rated in the US. So this are my first time trying it. But the rest of that I tried, I have always have that one. But let's see, I'm gonna remove this one and I'm gonna put the color that I'm going to wear it ngayon, maghapon. Okay guys, I'm back to bare lipstick. So now, I'm going to wear this lipstick. This is the Mirrors one, guys. It's the matte one. So this is gonna be my lipsticks for today. Ayan, di ba ang ganda, guys? But anyway, guys, this is all the color that we tried it today. These two are like the glossy one, like the velvet one, and these two are the matte, and this one is the two are the powder. But all of them are actually a natural color that you guys can wear for like 2023. Go to the Target, so you don't have to go to the Ulta, because if you are closer in the Target like me, you can just go over there because they do have most of what they have in Ulta, so they have it in Target now. But anyway, that's all our video today, and I hope you guys like it and you see that which color that's be perfect for you guys. Check it out in Target, and then check it out also in Sephora and Ulta, or if you guys have the Nordstrom, which we don't have in here, you guys can check it out because they do have in Nordstrom, they do have like a big matte section. Like in Ulta, actually they do have a big MAC section in there, because I know Sephora they have like a small section for MAC. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my video and for supporting me, and I'll see you guys for next week video again, and I hopefully we find something great to review again. So I'll see you guys again to my next video. Bye.